So, I'm catching the free shuttle bus that runs between the two major airports here in Thailand. So I'm at Don Mueang at the moment, and I want to head over to Suvarnabhumi airport, which is where I'm catching my flight later. So if you've got a connecting flight, you can use the service. So I'm here at gate number 6 on the ground floor. I'm queuing up at this counter right behind me to get a free ticket. The bus runs every half an hour or so. You have to show your passport, board, and obviously flight details, and they will issue a ticket, and you can get the free bus that transfers you between the two airports, which is quite handy. So I'm going to do the process now, so come and join me. We have a little queue going on here, but as you can see, it's right next to the airport hotel, which is just here, and located right next to the big sign at gate 6. So I'm just waiting my turn now to get my ticket. So the process is quite easy. They give you a little sticker. I've just got to wait in this little waiting area now, and I'll let you know how the free shuttle experience is. Now we just got to follow this gentleman who's going to take us to the bus, hopefully. The far side now of Terminal 1. We're just going through these exit gates. We'll see where we end up. Just following the queue like cattle. All these buses are lined up outside. Go through the exit. And here we go. This is the shuttle bus. Let's go check it out. So the bus has aircon and the seating here. Seating for disabled at the front. It's very clean. Ready to go. Ample space for your luggage here, and disabled seating. So far so good. Can't run once a free trip. Still looking tense. And this is from Terminal 1. Well, I mentioned it before, so Terminal 1. And the ticket office is at Gate 6, Terminal 1, on the bottom level, the ground floor level. Terminal 2, so it's quite a walk from our flew liner. So it's quite a walk from Terminal 2 to Terminal 1. That's worth it, it's not too far. There we go, that's an Air Asia plane coming into Don Mueang. There we go, Bangkok. It's a mega city. It's the 73rd biggest city in the world, with a population over 11 million. And today is 29 degrees and sunny. Bangkok is actually a bigger city geographically than London, but London has a bigger population. Just a little fact there. So this was the 2 o'clock bus. It's now 2:30. Obviously we had a little walk from the ticketing place to the actual coach itself. It's now 2:30 and the map is saying it's going to take another 22 minutes, so depending on traffic, probably get there just before 3 o'clock, so just under an hour for the journey. So if you're planning time, I'll have around about an hour for the journey. We're going through all the toll roads, so I assume the toll roads will be the fastest roads. Bangkok is just a huge city. Go, getting close to the airport now, won't be long before we're there. So we've arrived at the airport and it's been exactly 1 hour from setting up. So we're at 3 o'clock bang on. We're just going to park up and I'll let you know where it stops. There you have it, and the bus goes off. And you're located just here at the shuttle bus stop outside exit number 6. So we're at Suvarnabhumi Airport now. Nice free, easy trip, taking exactly 1 hour from getting the ticket and being led to the coach and actually arriving at the airport here. So I'm gonna go and check in. Might give it a little bit to eat first before I get on my flight. And if you do like this kind of stuff, why not give the channel a subscribe, give it a like, you can ring the bell, and you can follow me for more of my travels around the world. And I'll catch you on the next one. So thanks for watching.